Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this video, I am going to show you how to install and run PHP language on PHP Storm. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install PHP Storm on Windows 11 PC. So I first open my browser and then search PHP STORM and hit enter. And then I enter the JetBrains.com, the official owner of PHP Storm, and then click on download button and then click on download. We need to accept all, so I click on accept all, then click on download.exe for Windows. Within few seconds it will download start, so I click on start download. So download is completed. Now I click on open button, then installer open. It asks me permission. I click on yes, then click on next, and from here I click on create desktop shortcut and also update context menu. So I click on it, and also update path variable. I click on it and also create associations. So I click on PHP and click on next button, and then click on install button. So installation is completed. I click on run PHP Storm, then click on finish button. After click on finish, it will run, and we need set up some step for smoothly run on Windows 11 PC. So this is the welcome screen of PHP Storm. It asks me PHP Storm user agreement. So I click on icon from that I have read and accept term of this user agreement and click on finish button. And then it is ask me for data sharing. I don't share any data, so I click on don't share. I have no license key, so I click on free 30-day trial. So I click on free 30-day trial. So I minimize this page, and it asks me import settings from Visual Studio Code. So I skip this step, so I click on skip import. Now I create a new project, so I click on new project button, and then I chose PHP empty project, so I click on create button. So it asks me for AI support. I close this, and also close what's new in PHP Storm. Now I create a new PHP file, so I right click on untitled project and then click on new and click on PHP file. After that I type PHP file name, so I type index.php and then hit enter. Now I try to print hello world on PHP Storm, so I type echo Now I try to run this code. So I click on this run button and click on index.php. Yeah, it is run and it is print on terminal that hello world. So that was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install PHP Storm on Windows 11 PC and then how to run hello world on PHP Storm. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.